Hi, I'm Avery and welcome back to my channel. Today we're here by North York Creek up near Crow's Nest Pass, and we're gonna do a hike that I've wanted to do for a long time, probably upwards of a year or so I'm really excited. The hike that we're doing today is the North York Creek plane crash hike. So we're hiking up to a plane that crashed in 1946. I'm super excited, so let's get going. The plane that crashed here near North York Creek was a Royal Canadian Air Force DC-3 Dakota. It was developed as an improved version of the DC-2 and was one of the first airliners that could profitably carry passengers. During the Second World War, the DC-3 airliner was adapted for use by many militaries, including the Canadian Air Force. On January 19, 1946, the RCAF aircraft was reported missing with 7 crewmen on board. It was flying from Comox, BC to Greenwood, Nova Scotia, and was last seen near Cranbrook, BC. Search efforts were stalled by bad weather, but 5 days after the flight's disappearance, Crow's Nest Pass forest rangers made their way on snowshoes to the crash site. The still smoking wreckage provided the rangers with guidance, and they eventually came upon the fallen craft. The plane had collided with Mount Ptolemy and plummeted into the valley below. The bodies of the 7 soldiers were brought out by toboggan. We're really close to the plane wreckage. I'm super excited, and yeah, we're almost there. I'm having a mini excitement attack because I can see it. Oh. Here's the memorial for it. The plane is down here. Wow. Wow. It's really sad to see all the writing on it though. Kind of sucks. Eesh. Here's another piece of it. Oh my goodness. Oh, lovely. This one still has parts of the paint on it and everything. Isn't that cool? It's kind of been so broken down by time. And just like you can see, it's kind of buried there. Can't even really tell what it is. I'd say it looks like part of the tail, but I mean, I don't know. Actually, that piece over there might be the tail, because I don't think it has one. Wow. I brought my camera all the way up here, so now I'm gonna take some pictures. In the middle of my thing, here's another piece. Kinda, again, looks like a part of the top or something. Sheesh. This got so mangled. At least there's no writing on it. I'm very happy to have made it up here on this hike, and just to see this living piece of history that's up here in the mountains is a huge gift. Very thankful to have made it up here. Just coming around the back of the plane, I found this. I mean, I obviously didn't find it, but here's the tail. I'm assuming would have been here. Walking to join my family at the picnic table, and look, even more of it. Wow. Man, I can't even tell you what it is in there. You can really tell how big it must have been just because of like how long that is. All right, we're just gonna go down the side of it because I can see in York Creek here, there's so much debris. And obviously, boy, I almost slipped. We wanna see that. To give some perspective, the plane, like the back end of the plane is all the way up there, and then there's this and all these scattered ruins. We got some, maybe some engine parts, I would think. More outside parts. Check out this engine piece. I feel like it's an engine piece. It still has all these numbers on it. And I tried to move this, like just to see. and it's heavy. So this little piece of metal is interesting. There's this little hole right here. I don't know. Maybe it might be part of the front, like an inside front piece. Besides all the wreckage, I mean, it's so beautiful. I'm sure there's more pieces down here, but I didn't bring my bear spray, so I'm gonna turn back around now and keep looking. You can just see how chewed up this metal is right here. Ugh. Some rusty springs, more metal. A lot of it is stuck under, not a lot of it, but some of it is stuck under the glacier, you can see right here. And we're back to the big piece right here. I wonder if that was the Royal Canadian Air Force kind of circle there. But it's hard to say. I was hoping I'd be able to see some of that on the wings. Finished our snacks, so now it's time to go back down. Goodbye, Dakota. The hike is over. So just about 15.8 kilometers, 4 hours and 20 minutes, and just about 600 meters of elevation. It wasn't as easy as I thought it would be, but it definitely wasn't as hard as it could have been. I'm gonna go have a granola bar and yeah, probably a nap. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.